Hi guys, so today I have something really fun to share with you from Diamond Press that they have brought to HSN. It is their Sending Love Slimline card kit. It is quite a large box. I wouldn't say a very big box, but quite a big box here. So I'm going to get this open and hopefully we can get a good vantage angle for you guys to check everything out. So they did send these items free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I'll have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Oh my goodness, how cute is this box? Just want to show you. I like to show you guys in the packaging so you can kind of see what that looks like. It has little guards on every corner so your box arrives in great shape. And let me open this guy up. So this is now currently available there on HSN. Again, the next HSN craft day is March 7th, so keep an eye out for that, especially with Diamond Press having the Today Special on that day. So let's check this guy out. Oh my goodness. Oh, it has a little tape. I don't know they usually seal their boxes. This is something new a little bit here. It has a little seal all around all four sides there. And gorgeous box. A sweet friendship refreshes the soul. I love their little like sentiments things they put in there. I'll probably remove these just because it's part of the packaging, just to keep it, you know, closed up. But now that I have it here at home, I can pop that off. And again, the Sending Love Slimline card kit. We have images here of everything that's in the kit and usually some inspo on the back. So let's check this guy out. 24 Slimline cards, 8 designs, 3 of each. 80 rhinestones, 30 yards of raffia, 6 colors, 5 yards of each. 24 Slimline cards. Envelopes is basically what they meant here. So the card, obviously envelopes for the cards. 3 colors, 8 of each. And then we have epoxy word stickers. How cute. I love that they're stuck together so they're easy to work with. 9 designs, 2 of each. Some adhesive foam squares, which is always wonderful to have. 122 die cuts, 61 designs, 2 of each. Super cute already. I mean, look at, you know, oh, the little envelopes, how cute. 15 die cuts, I love these. And the storage box, and then again, some card ideas. So we'll do some quick cards today, definitely. Oh, look how gorgeous. So again, 2 of each, and as you can see, they are gold. In the imagery, they look like black there, but they are gold. That's really great. And then our little stones, some are much larger and some are smaller and smaller. And the colorway of the kit here. Oh, did we talk about the little flowers? I'm sorry, I just was so distracted by them being sealed. I forgot to mention the flowers and how cute they are. A nice sturdy box. Love the little berries on here, how cute. So we saw that. Now we can see our other items here. We have the raffia, and this looks really fun. I tie it like a bow. I mean, you use it however you like. In the dark blue, like that navy, kind of a light blue, the red and the pink, and then a yellowish and like a straw color, or craft color, should I say. And here we have, ooh, look at these guys, these are big. So again, these guys, I would just kind of pop them in the background so they kind of a fancy like matte layer, you know what I'm saying? So if you have something, you put some little flowers and maybe a sentiment or however. But we have our pieces here. Sorry, so I'm just trying to fan them out for you. There you go. And then these guys here, the little tags, these are so cute. Alright. Oh, and then we have our dimensionals. Oh, I love it. I love that they're not super thick. So I don't know if you can see there's 2 sheets in here, so you can hopefully see a little bit of the thickness there. And then we have, usually I open the card bases first, but I went for the extras this time first. And what I'll probably do with these guys is just let them be in here once, you know, they're here at home now. The beautiful flowers. I love the colorway, that coral, the teals. I mean, just so pretty. Nice size. Hopefully you can kind of tell by me just holding them, but you know, like this butterfly is like 3.5 inches. I would say this little spray of flowers is about the same. Yeah, like 3.5 inches, 3 inches or so. We have these guys, little sprays of flowers, the little birdies. Bike, really, really sweet, springy, summery feel. I love these. These are the kind of things I just grab later on and I'll pop them here and there in different projects. I mean, how cute would this be on a rosette with maybe some words? Cute, you know, so very special. Also a little taller. And oh, I love these. This is wonderful right here. all the, so very special, the big day on my mind. Love you, enjoy your day, thanks friend. So all kinds of occasions, so grateful. Sending love, you're the best. Yes, this is wonderful. I love having all these sentiments just pop right on top. Some sprigs. I'm gonna put the sentiments kind of over here. There's another one down here somewhere. Little plaque kind of pieces or labels. Tons of sentiments. This is so good. Oh my gosh. The big day, just for you, so very much. Yes, 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 that's very good. Love having all those. Congratulations. Some watercolor kind of colors on that one. A bigger band. Look like this, think of you today. Like the big thank you, enjoy. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. I love having the sentiments. Honestly, that just finishes off so many cards, outside of this kit too. Little cups. Hello. You have your hot air balloon. Celebrate. Just so much. A little pitcher and like a mason jar. Super cute. And then we have the envelopes again, coordinating colors to our cards. And let's check out our card bases. And again, super heavyweight card bases. I would say these are 300 GSM, if not a little thicker than that. Really, really nice and thick. So we have that beautiful coral, like that deep color with the lighter kind of peachy coral in there. Really cool geometric pattern. And the color, should I say, does go around to the back, because I know sometimes people ask that and I forget to show, but the inside it's blank. This one has that beautiful blue watercolor. And then little dots that are just kind of organic and sweet. I love that. This is so fun. I'm telling you, just to pair up with some of these things here. And I love a white, black dotted background. It's really crisp and clean. Look at this, just like the box. I love it. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'll give you a measurement on these two in just a second. Wood grain. And then this really cool geometric type of design here. And then lastly, this really cool pattern. It's like checkered, checked, plaid. I don't know what you want to call it, but I like the way in the center of the lines it has like different colors. Just so pretty. And so let's get that measurement, and then we will play around a bit. So let's see. I would say it's probably 8.5 by 3.5 because Diamond Press. In my opinion, that is the size of a Slimline card, 8.5 by 3.5. Some companies go larger, some go a little thinner, a little smaller. To me, that's the standard size. So that's what we have, 8.5 by 3.5. And what we're gonna do is just put some cards together. For the first card, I'm gonna put this out of frame over here to the side, but what I'm gonna do is do something like this one, just to show you what that might look like in real life. Simple card, and again, I love that little white and black dotty background, so I'm just gonna go through and grab those elements. So I'm just gonna grab the card base, and the little this portion here, the little strip that's behind, and the sentiment and all that kind of stuff. So I'll be right back. So let me just put this to the side here, and we have our inspo here, and I grabbed the foam adhesive also, so we can have a little dimension here and there. And so card base, and it's more of a landscape look. We'll have this guy here. I grabbed the one sheet. We have the word friend on there. Of course, you can pop on whatever you'd like. I'm changing up the sentiment to just for you. This one has a friend, you're the best, or thanks, or whatever you want to pop on here. Hi, congrats, obviously all these different words. And then we have our butterfly also. So let's just kind of stage it out, just see where we would want everything. Let's say that's there. And then let's say we have the word friend. And then just for you, something like that. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and just glue this part down. And pop that in there. And I'm sorry if you hear some like machinery in the background. My neighbor is having a cement block pad kind of put in front of the house, so they've been working on it for a while. Okay, so there's that. And so you might hear something like that. And then friend, and look at that. I love, again, that's just one piece. Very sturdy. Oh my goodness, those are really nice. Pop this off. And I'm not really touching it too much because obviously I want the stickiness to stay there, but I did touch it a little bit. Pop that last little bit out right there. And I have the word friend like in here. Just lining it up nice. There, something like that. And when I'm happy with it, then I'll push it down. And this little guy, I always like little movements, so what I'm going to do is just kind of bend his wings just a little bit. And you can put a dimensional, but I'll just bend the wings and then just put some glue here. Maybe on his little antenna so they don't get damaged. Something like that. And then on the Just For You, I'm going to put some dimensionals on that, just a couple. Well, maybe a few, I guess. I'll do 3. And let's pop this guy. Right there, maybe a little bit higher up. Very cute, and the card is mostly oriented over here on the left. It looks really gorgeous. I mean, you can even trim this down if you want to make it a mini slimline. Just trim off like 2.5 inches, right? So you have 3.5 by 6. Really, really cute. I did bring out some of the rhinestones. You know, if you want to pop some of these on here just to continue some more, you know, decoration. Again, make it your own, but I was just following the example there, and that looks really cute. I love it. Okay, so let me basically do the same thing. I'm going to grab a card base and some other elements, just kind of play a little bit, and then we'll put it together. Okay, I'll be right back. Play with things, and I love this orientation. I love the way it looks. So what I'm going to do is, I was going to put one of these, you know, on top, and then I decided, man, they both should probably echo each other coming out from underneath. So what I'm going to do is put a little glue just to get those guys set. A little something out here, and then down here. And I'll probably pop up that center section with some dimensionals. Like down in here, something like that. And this guy, I'm probably just going to leave him flat, so I'm just going to put some glue wherever I think it would touch this area. So have you guys seen that trick people are doing when you have something set up the way you like it? You know, it's all set down. You just get a piece of cling wrap and pop it on there, and, you know, kind of make sure everything sticks to it, and then when you pick up the cling wrap, everything is basically where you want it. You can start sticking it down, things like that. You know, if you need something like that. So what I was going to do is probably pop this up, and then this too. So I'm going to remove this right now. Just put some dimensionals. So I'm going to take a moment to pop some different dimensionals on the back of this. I'll be right back. And I'm going to pop some on the back of the hello also, okay? I'll be right back. I don't go too well with dimensional. I did put a little bit on here just to support the little bird. And again, just looking at that. Straight there. And then we'll get this guy going with our hello. Something like that. And I'm just going to pop a little flower behind here. Wasn't sure exactly of the orientation. Maybe hanging off a little bit like that. That'd be cute. Yeah, from this way. And I love the look of this. I love this color palette of this card kit. I think that's really sweet, really just lovely. Super easy to put together. Honestly, everything I was choosing worked right, so it looked really, really nice. Just hitting it out of the park with this one, Diamond Press. So really lovely. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box of all the things that are available, you know, running up to March 7th. And depending on when I put out this video, I believe I'll put it out possibly on the 28th, now that I think about it. So Diamond Press is having a live sneak peek of their today's special. If you get their emails, you probably already saw some images of it, and it's going to be really fun, you guys. I don't want to say too much, but I mean, you guys saw it already. So fun, different techniques involved in the today's special that I think you'll really love. I'm just super excited about it. So definitely keep an eye out for videos I'll be making on those things too. I'll have another sneak peek of myself going through all the different items along with the tutorials like I do for each individual item. So please keep an eye out for those videos. There are going to be plenty. There are a lot of new items. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll check out those videos as they come out. And again, on the 28th, 7:30 p.m. Eastern, Diamond Press is doing their sneak preview or sneak peek of their today's special, along with the other items they'll be bringing. So again, some of the items are already available there on HSN. Will HSN have a $5 cart or like free shipping on craft day? I do not know that, but I know that if you place an order of $75 or more every day on HSN, you get free shipping, or I believe if it's less than $75, like the max is like $5.99 or something like that. So that's just what HSN has been doing. So hope that info helps you. And if any of the prices change between now, if you're picking up anything, you know, early of the March 7th show, any of the items that HSN offers that might later, you know, be knocked down a couple bucks, you can always contact them and they will refund that price difference with the tax and everything. So real easy. They do it in like 2 seconds. So I've already been shopping, so that's why I'm mentioning that, because I've already picking up stuff ahead of the show. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.